Ernie Lombardi, Bobby Doerr, old guy there, Burt Buckland. Looks like these, Eric Davis, Todd Worrell, Scott Fletcher, Jack Morris, Roger Clemens, MVP, Fernando Valenzuela, great pitcher, Darryl Strawberry highlights, Wally Joyner, Bob Horner, Kevin Bass, Rick Roden, Kent Herbeck, Roger Clemens again, another Roger Clemens right after, Don Sutton, Hoobie Brooks, Jeff Reardon, Wade Boggs, great hitter, Don A's, another Wade Boggs, Reggie Jackson, another great hitter, Johnny Ray, Dwight Gooden, Kirby Puckett, amazing hitter, Roger Clemens again, Roger Clemens, Mike Schmidt, George Brett, Jose Rijo, and Will Clark is in the end. This is the one that we ended with. Homer's in his first at bat. I believe this was against Nolan Ryan. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of these cards.